Imagine finding a wild pig with blue meat in your backyard. Something straight out of a sci-fi movie, right? But this isn't fiction. It's happening in California, and it's causing quite a stir among wildlife officials. Recently, state authorities discovered that some wild pigs in California have blue-colored muscle and fat, which is a worrying sign that they may have ingested toxic rodenticide bait. This alarming discovery was made by the Department of Fish and Wildlife, CDFW, following reports from a wildlife trapper in March. To confirm their suspicions, CDFW's Wildlife Health Lab and the California Animal Health and Food Safety Laboratory in Davis conducted thorough lab tests. They found diphacinone, an anticoagulant rodenticide, in the stomach and liver of one pig with blue tissue in Monterey County. This finding highlights a serious issue with pesticide exposure, affecting not just target pests, but also non-target wildlife. Rodenticides are primarily used to eliminate rodents, but their effects can extend to other animals through direct consumption or by eating prey that has been poisoned. These poisons often contain colored dyes to indicate their toxicity, although the blue color might not always be visible in contaminated meat. This means that hunters and wildlife enthusiasts need to be particularly vigilant. It's crucial for hunters to be aware that game animals such as wild pigs, deer, bears, and geese could be contaminated if they've been exposed to rodenticides, explained Dr. Ryan Borbor, CDFW's Pesticide Investigations Coordinator. This exposure can pose significant health risks to non-target wildlife in areas where pesticides are applied near their habitats. Given these risks, CDFW strongly advises against consuming any part of a game animal that displays blue fat or muscle or shows other unusual signs of contamination. Anyone who suspects a case of rodenticide exposure should report it to CDFW's Wildlife Health Lab via email at whlabb@wildlife.ca.gov or by calling 916-358-2790. But here's where it gets controversial. The use of rodenticides raises ethical questions about the broader impact on ecosystems. While these chemicals effectively control rodent populations, they can inadvertently harm a wide range of wildlife. And this is the part most people miss. There are safer alternatives to rodenticides that can be equally effective without posing such significant risks to non-target species. Pesticide applicators are encouraged to exercise caution to minimize wildlife exposure. This includes conducting thorough checks for wildlife in treatment areas, using proper bait stations, and exploring alternative pest management strategies. By taking these steps, we can better protect our environment and the diverse array of wildlife it supports. So what do you think? Should the use of rodenticides be more strictly regulated? Or are the benefits in controlling rodent populations worth the potential risks to wildlife? Share your thoughts in the comments below.